What if robots could be made with living cells? Scientists are working on a new field called biohybrid robotics. By combining living cells with artificial systems, robots can become more adaptable and efficient. From muscle cells to nerve cells, the possibilities are endless. But how do these systems work, and what are the challenges? The key to biohybrid robotics lies in the interface between living and non-living components. Scientists are developing new materials and techniques to improve this interface. From prosthetic limbs to robotic exoskeletons, the potential applications are vast. Imagine having a prosthetic limb that can feel and move like a real one. Biohybrid robots can outperform traditional robots in many areas. But there are also risks and challenges to consider, such as the potential for malfunction or uncontrolled growth. Despite the challenges, scientists are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Imagine a future where biohybrid robots are an integral part of our daily lives. The field is rapidly advancing, with new breakthroughs and discoveries being made every day. From laboratories to real-world applications, biohybrid robots are being put to the test. As with any new technology, there are benefits and drawbacks to consider. But one thing is certain: biohybrid robotics has the potential to revolutionize our world. Join the conversation and stay up to date with the latest developments in this exciting field. The future of robotics is here, and it's more alive than you think. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on biohybrid robotics and other emerging technologies. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of biohybrid robotics and discover the possibilities. The future is now, and it's time to get ready for the revolution. Like, comment, and share this video to spread the word about biohybrid robotics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.